In this lesson, we'll learn the characters だじづでど. To review, what is this character? た. Ta with the dakden is pronounced da. Eda. Eda. Daigaku. Daigaku. Daisuki. Daisuki. What is this character? Chi. Chi with the dakden is pronounced ji. Note that chi with the dakden is pronounced the same as shi with the dakden, ji. There are very few words in Japanese that use a chi with the dakden. Chikajika. Chikajika. What is this character? Tsu. Tsu with the dakden is pronounced zu. Note that tsu with the dakden is pronounced the same as su with the dakden, zu. There are very few words in Japanese that use a tsu with the dakden. Tsuzuku. Tsuzuku. What is this character? Te. Te with the dakden is pronounced de. Ude. Ude. Deguchi. Deguchi. Odeko. Odeko. What is this character? To. To with the dakden is pronounced do. Jidou. Jidou. Doukutsu. Doukutsu. Kado. Kado.